Hello, Excel enthusiastic. Welcome back to the channel. So, in today video, we will learn VLOOKUP with if error. First, we will apply VLOOKUP over here, column number, exact match. Let's freeze the table, scroll it down. Okay, now you can see over here, uh, like the name Shiv does not exist in the data set. So, instead of showing this hashtag NA, what we can do is we can apply over here if error function, and we can mention over here instead of writing NA we can also write value does not exist, or you can give anything you want, null or anything. So I think which looks better, it is very easy to understand even to other people what does it mean. So if you like a video, please keep following Excel app for more such Excel content. Thank you.